In times of uncertainty, how do businesses ensure they thrive and grow? Imagine a seamless transition amidst challenges, where expert guidance makes all the difference. MarketerHire stepped in during a tumultuous period, offering essential expertise to iFIT. Their senior search and social media buyers transformed operations, optimizing media strategies for better results. By challenging existing practices, they set up tests that ignited improved performance. Facing constraints, iFIT couldn't hire additional full-time employees but needed immediate support. Instead of traditional hiring, they leveraged MarketerHire's services to utilize an extra contractor budget efficiently. This strategic decision not only cut costs, but also opened access to unparalleled marketing talent. As iFIT stabilized, they transitioned roles in-house while promoting from within. Flexibility remained key for iFIT, merging external expertise with internal capability for future growth.